The secret of the glass of water and salt under the bed. Negative energies have a real impact on us, whether it is being with someone who complains a lot, attending a debate, or listening to someone's misfortunes. This negativity that emanates from the environment at this precious moment affects our state of mind. Tips for dissipating bad energy: water and salt. Salt has been used over time for different purposes, from kitchen to medicine to exchange. These essential ingredients in all households can have different uses. Car salt, in particular, also has purifying properties, not because of its proven antibacterial action, but rather for its ability to absorb negative energies naturally and to maintain positive ones. How to use it: fill half a large glass of salt and add the water. Then place the glass in the place you want to purify. If it is a bedroom, you can arrange it under your bed or in the corners of the room. On the other hand, if you want to purify the different pieces, you will have to put a glass of water and salt in each of them. Leave the glass overnight. The next day, when you wake up, you will notice that the water has evaporated and the salt has overflowed the glass. Hence, the interest of placing a plate under the glass. The glass used must be washed outside, in the garden for example, or thrown away to get rid of the energies absorbed during the night. You can repeat this step as much as you want.